for real. Let's make a deal, rubble still skin. She wanna see my purple pickle up in the wind. Shot peppers off, bitch, get in. And if your nigga don't like me, hit chinny chin chin.
He actually pulled it. Fuck. Hey. Well, you already finished it. What the fuck?
There's still half a gallon in there.
No, there's not.
Okay.
Take up the axle bolt.
The what?
The axle bolt.
Yeah, they're behind me. Jacob, can you grab the 5 bolts from each side? Bolts.
Here we go.
Oh, my car's dead.
Oh shit, you know the battery.
Push it.
Yeah, push it down. Perfect. Oh yeah, good. Ooh, that's nice. What better way to spend a snowy day than pancakes with Aunt Jemima's maple syrup? I tried to do a smiley face. Looks like most of the snow's melted. Oh my god. Oh shit.
So snowy.
Oh my god.
It's not good.
Yeah.
Let's just say it's not good. That glitter in the clear coat really, like, you can actually see it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's crazy. I thought it wasn't gonna work.
Oh my god.
It's kind of wild.
That is.
Whatever. Test your own conditions. Welcome to Canada.
Yeah, exactly.
You never know what you're getting yourself into.
Everything changed so quickly. This is not my natural habitat. Everything is snowing. Holy moly. Holy Jesus. Oh! Yeah, what the? Oh my god.
Mint.
Oh no!
It snowed on you? Oh god. No. This is not ideal.
Look how much treads on these tires. There's nothing.
Fuck, yeah. Yeah, look at that.
On those front ones?
Look at the tread on that. Barely, like it has like a bit, but it's not much. Hello everyone, it's JD here, and I haven't really done an intro since I actually just left for Canada actually. I've been way too busy and I've bumped into a lot of bumpy roads, literally and figuratively. I had some problems just trying to export footage as I always do, and I've probably been way too busy to just do a proper video and edit. So I uploaded a video yesterday, and I'm uploading one today, and I'm gonna get all of this done before I leave for Calgary. So this is practically just gonna be an update on everything that's happening. For the last 5 days I've been in Canada, and I've been pretty busy just doing everything, recording as much as I can. My lips are a bit chapped, so I'm not really reacting to the weather that well, but I mean, I'm coping. I'm doing good. Haven't had a haircut since I got here because I've been busy, so that's probably a indicator of how busy I've been. We've been preparing for Calgary pretty well. We're gonna be making some food, and I'm gonna get into that in a minute, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I missed you guys back home, and I hope you guys enjoy all the content that's coming. I'm having a really fun time. This is practically just like a Dear Melbourne. This is what's been happening, and yeah, enough rambling and more action. See you guys soon. Look at that. That's an R35 GTR, and I can't, like, the windows are too blurry, but oh my god, is that a left-hand drive?
There you go.
Is that a left-hand drive GTR? Yeah. Oh my god, that is mad. Would you look at this?
Look at QQ pudding.
Yeah, let's get some dessert. I've never had that before, and I want that.
In a bar.
And
In a bar.
How much is it? $5? We should,
$5.
Might as well go to like a market or something. Hey guys, it's JD here. We are at Walmart, and we're going to be making our homemade HSPs straight from Australia. So see you guys soon. Oh my
And
god.
I hate spicy things.
You gotta go
so-
down the Asian aisle.
Well, that's not the brand we need. But
I don't think you're gonna find the brand you need.
sweet chili sauce for chicken. That's not the brand I use, but that's close enough.
It's still the same brand.
As close as you can get.
You know what? That's one thing I miss about home, so I'm gonna get it because we don't have Yush. We bought quite a lot of stuff. We have got some chicken, we got some fries, we got some everything. We're pretty much making homemade HSPs today. Chicken HSPs by the looks of it. I think we've gotten everything. Walmart had everything we needed. So in just a moment, I'll be showing you guys how to make Australian halal snack packs. Okay, we are back. The chicken is cold, sort of. And we gotta prepare everything. So we brought, if I can find it, we got sauces there. We got the sweet chili, the garlic I'll grab. Actually, yeah, maybe you. Okay, we got the barbecue. We got sriracha as well, just in case people want super hot.
Oh no, we're not using that.
Oh, we're not using this? Ooh, what is that? Barbecue chicken. See, this is what, this is similar to what I meant. Oh. Just gotta put on that oil on all them chips. Now, we're not doing this super traditional Australian HSP style. We're kind of mixing it up with French fries and some weird, chicken, barbecue chicken powder sort of thing. Ooh. I have a feeling we're gonna try some wedges. There we go. Okay, so we've got our chicken, we've got our fries, we've got all of our seasoning and stuff. So now let's prepare it. So, we've got our chicken. Put as much as you feel. And any pieces, I guess since this is handmade, we'll just need to shred it a little. Or just spread it. I think that should be good. Doesn't need to be too far. So you basically just put the chicken over the top of the chips. Then, when you're ready, you choose the allocated sauces. There's a thing called the trio of sauces, which is barbecue, sweet chili, and garlic. And you just put the... I don't remember which order it goes. I think it's barbecue first, then sweet chili, and then garlic over the top. So now my trusty assistant is going to pour it all over in a nice pan like that. Yep, that's how it's done. Didn't even have to tell you. Awesome. Okay, and then we do the sweet chili. Gotta open that first. How's it smell?
Really good.
That's great. Then you just pour it really slowly. Yeah. Make sure you get it even. I just need to try and get a good line like that. Perfect. And that, my friends, is a homemade HSP. Ooh, and then he's gonna add some sriracha. That makes 4 sauces. We're setting it up. This is my bedroom, by the way. My makeshift bedroom. Here we go. First bite.
You need to add the sriracha.
The sriracha. Do you want me to get it?
No, you need to add it. Try
Oh,
it.
me? Okay, I'm trying this.
Super good.
This is the Blake Special right now. The Blake Special HSP. Ooh. Gotta even try and add some of the wedges in as well. That probably would taste pretty good with that. So I'm gonna heat up the cheese first, and then I'll put the sauces over the top so that way they don't completely nuke and melt.
So I'll open the new bag of shredded cheese. What the? Someone is getting paid too much for this shit.
I mean, it's like a little treat. It's like what's it called? Like a little toy at the bottom of the cereal box.
It was some dude's last day and he was like, fuck it.
Somebody's last day and it's like, I'm done. This is my finished product. I didn't put sriracha sauce on it, but I might put on a little bit on later, like after I eat a bit. That's a very small portion, but it's a good taster. Let's see how this goes. Is it good? Nice. I did this all from memory, because I have way too many of these that it's like not even funny. This is like every day that I just like go out with my car, I'm like, I want a kebab. I want a HSP. I'm gonna get a HSP.